Hey y'all, today's recipe is Dutch oven fried chicken wings, alright? So let's go ahead and get into it. So what you're going to need, of course, is chicken wings. It's wings and little drums. Flour, alright? And then you're going to need vegetable oil, so go ahead and fry these wings up. Alright, and then let's get to the seasoning. Alright, so we have a combination of seasoned salt and garlic salt. You don't need quite as much seasoned salt. And you're going to need paprika, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the seasoning started. Just put that on that chicken real nice. Alright, then another seasoning as well. And then you're going to go ahead and toss the chicken into the seasoning, or the seasoning into the chicken, however you want to look at it. You want to get it all incorporated over the chicken wings. You can use tongs, or you can get in there with your hands, however you want to do it. I like to use tongs, so I don't have to get all of that on my fingers, right? Alright, so after you have it nice and tossed and ready to go, then we're going to go ahead and dip the chicken wings into our flour mixture. So you can just put a couple of pieces of wings at a time. This is a good way to do it if you don't want all that flour batter on your fingers. However you do it, just make sure that you get your wings nice and coated with flour before frying. Okay, so we have our Dutch oven. They aren't called Dutch oven chicken wings for nothing, right? Okay, so we have our Dutch oven. We have the oil nice and hot, adding our chicken in there. So when frying chicken, you want to make sure to not overcrowd the pan. So we added about half of the wings into this Dutch oven. Okay, so why do we use the Dutch oven? The Dutch oven is really an enamel style cast iron pot in this case, not a cast iron skillet. All right, it gets a nice even fry on your chicken, and it makes your chicken absolutely the crispiest. You never have tried it before, definitely want to find out for yourself. Dutch ovens are really not that expensive. You can find them typically at local stores. So that's why we use this frying receptacle for this recipe. All right, so after you have all your chicken added in there, you definitely want to cook it until it's nice and golden brown. You want to move it around a little bit here and there, because like once you first put your chicken in there, it may stick together because of the flour mixture. So you can just move the chicken around with your tongs to eliminate that issue. So we're at the point here where our chicken is ready. It's nice and golden brown and extra crispy. So you want to pick your chicken up and let a little bit of the oil drain off. And then you want to transfer your chicken to a paper towel covered dish to soak up any extra oil that's in the chicken. And you can repeat the process until it's done, y'all, so you can have some nice crispy chicken wings just like this. So as always, we hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell to be reminded every time we post a new video, and we'll definitely catch y'all next time.